Let me tell you a story. My name is Thane, and I've been in financial services for 20 years. And I've made a lot of mistakes, I've done some smart things, but recently I went to a conference. I've been to a lot of conferences over the years, heard one of the best speakers I've heard in a long time. Carl Richards, behaviorgap.com. So he gave me this nice hat, cool hat, but it's a real epiphany for me in that I made a lot of mistakes over my 22 years in industry, and so I'm going to help with some videos and give you guys a lot of good tips and advice on saving money and getting ahead. So just as an example, here's a little bit of stuff that I got from Carl Richards. Behaviorgap.com. So he talks about investment returns versus investor returns, and he calls it the behavior gap. What that is in this industry is when people buy and sell and do it at the wrong time, they miss out on the gains in the market. So that's investor behavior causes us to lose money. And I've lost plenty of money on lots of different investments over the years. His talk kind of inspired me to call myself now a reformed, risk-taking, news-watching junkie, and just kind of be a little bit more conservative, a little bit smarter in my personal investments like I would with my clients. So here's a couple other charts he gave me, some cool stuff. I like this one, there's a good one. That was one of his first ones. Buying high, selling low. I've done plenty of that in my life, buying high, selling low. In the middle, what you get? Dumb. So over the next, as I continue this ongoing series for the foreseeable future, I'll pull some stuff from some of these industry books I've read. Paychecks for Life, Charlie Epstein, great book. Nick Murray, great investment advisor and speaker, and lots of good books that he's done. 401k Sales Champion. Here's a great one. Story Selling for Advisors. When you go to a speaker and conference and hear a great speaker, it's all about telling a story and making it interesting, something that you're going to remember. So I got lots of stories. I've started keeping and compiling some notes. I'll be going through a lot of this stuff in the coming months. I keep up on all the journals, Advisor Today, Think Magazine, Plan Advisor, Investment Advisor. So lots of good magazines to draw from. And kind of in closing, a couple things that I thought were really interesting. These were actually from my son a number of years ago. Came home with this book by David Schwartz. If you made $1 million. So this is about making $1 million. It's actually a follow-up to one of his first books, which is How Much is a Million? Very interesting book about numbers and million. I'm sort of a numbers guy, and look forward to kind of dispensing with some good advice and good wisdom and helping you guys to be a little bit more conservative in investments, be smart with your money, and get ahead. So I look forward to talking as the future goes. Thanks.